everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to create pin on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. Open Pinterest on your device first. Make sure you have a business account. If you don't know how to create a business account on Pinterest, make sure you check out our video on that topic. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on Create It. Tap on Create. Now select any picture that you want to post. Then tap on Next at the top right. Here you can add title, description, then tap on Done. You can also tag topics, schedule to post, and so on. Now if you tap on the pencil icon on the picture, you can further edit it. You can zoom in, add text, add music, draw, and so on. Tap on Done after you're satisfied. After everything is done, tap on Create at the bottom. And that is how to create a pin on Pinterest. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.